Green Apple Day. It's where we just come in the woods and clean up trash, and we work on paths and stuff. And so we are like doing as much as we can. We can't always get to all of it, but we can get to some of it.
Hey, this is Mrs. Munoz, the Phi Ed teacher at McDill Elementary. Today we are doing our Green Apple Work Day, and so we have 390 students coming out to the forest, and they've been spreading mulch, they've been edging, they've been building habitats for our animals.
Today we are spreading out the mulch so it can make it smooth for the paths.
Today our focus has been actually working on our story walk. We've been mulching that entire story walk, and the kids have been having a blast. So it's been a great work day, lots of great volunteers, and we're a green and healthy school, so we love getting out in the environment and just making our school, this outdoor classroom, a great place for students to come.
Like that. Like everybody gets to adventure this and have time with this, and I like to hear like birds tweet and stuff.